Good morning, everybody. Another day, another project. Today we're going to be working on the Kubota RTV X900. It's got a rattle. Well, it's a diesel, so it has tons of rattles. And it's a former rental unit that I bought. So again, even more rattles. But this one I can fix. Right back here, here's your muffler. And fortunately it's not hot because I just grabbed it. And here's the muffler bracket. And it is cracked, if not broken, all the way through there. So I'm going to take this bracket off, weld it up, and put it back on. Let's get to work. Okay, let's get to welding. And there you go. I've replaced a broken bracket. Well, actually, I've repaired the broken bracket. And that will be one less rattle for this Kubota. It's not perfect, but I made progress. Thanks for watching.